In today's fast-paced world, grabbing a prepackaged sandwich is the ultimate convenience. From ham and cheese to chicken salad, these ready-made meals are crafted in high-speed factories designed for efficiency. It all starts with...
Cool, right? That was all done by AI, and that is exactly what we are going to create today. Why? Because people just love how it's made videos, and that it is why it will be going viral as a short. So let's go. First, go to YouTube and search for a suitable how it's made video. Let's pick this one. It is about prepackaged sandwiches. Click on the video and now go here and click on Show Transcript. Now go ahead and copy the entire transcript without the timestamps. Next we go to ChatGPT and type, I want to create a short video about how it's made. Please give me a narration script that takes less than 1 minute to read out loud for, and now paste the transcript here. Amazing. Now copy the narrator script and go to 11 Labs. It is an amazing AI text-to-speech generator. Pick a nice voice from the audio library. I will use this voice, which I already used before. The voice is perfect for shorts because it is fast-paced without pauses. Now add the text and generate the audio.
In today's fast-paced world, grabbing a prepackaged sandwich is the ultimate convenience.
Perfect. Let's download it. Now add it to CapCut. Be sure to cut out all the long and boring pauses, but since my audio doesn't have any boring pauses, I will continue. Now for the footage, we will go ahead and download the How It's Made video. I will use the 4K video downloader, but you can use any other free-to-use YouTube video downloader out there. Now add it to CapCut. Set the aspect ratio to 9:16 so it will be vertical. Now extract the original audio and delete it. Zoom the video a bit in. Now cut the video in a way that it fits the narration. I will also make some parts more fast-paced. Watch me edit in full speed. Now next we will add additional footage from Pexels. Here are plenty of copyright-free videos to use. I will search for some sandwich videos and also a video for the start of the video. And guys, all in all, it is all about transforming the original content enough and adding enough value to fall under fair use. Now create a compound clip. Now here comes a secret tip. Mirror the video like this. Perfect. Now duplicate the clip. Add a lot of blur effect to the bottom clip and enlarge it. Oh, almost forgot. Undo the compound clip and now add a lot of transitions. Additionally, I will also add some nice combo animations. Generate the captions and choose a nice template. Pick some nice music from the YouTube audio library. I will pick some generic rock song, add it to CapCut and turn the volume down. I will add this retro black noise effect to the entire video. Let's add some filters. When you are done, export it in 4K. Before I am going to show you the end result, let me do the outro. And that's it, now it's up to you. Create your own How It's Made shorts with AI and go viral. Have a lot of fun. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll never miss another Mr. Lemon video. And guys, be sure to become a member and get access to all the membership perks. See you in the next video. Bye. Here is the end result.
In today's fast-paced world, grabbing a prepackaged sandwich is the ultimate convenience. From ham and cheese to chicken salad, these ready-made meals are crafted in high-speed factories designed for efficiency. It all starts with fresh bread, carefully inspected, sliced, and buttered before moving down the production line. A machine precisely applies mayo, while workers layer on fresh ingredients like meats and cheeses. For large-scale production, robots take over, dispensing fillings, assembling sandwiches, and slicing them with ultrasonic precision. Finally, each sandwich is packed, sealed, and sent to stores, ready to be enjoyed within hours. And that's how your favorite grab-and-go sandwich is made.